it became obvious that the rental market was just about as hot as the actual home market. So we bought several homes in North Carolina prior to moving to California, and this is the first time we've ever had an agent or an agency really spend a lot of time educating us as home buyers and trying to get the message across that they want to do what's best for us, not just best for the agency and best for their commission. I wasn't 100% sure that it was going to be possible, but as we continue to pray and go through the process with Zap and with William and with the team, God opened doors. So one thing I'll add about Zap, William, and the Martin Group as a whole is the thing that stuck out the most to me was how much time and energy they put into educating home buyers. From the home buyer workshop, which was before we had ever signed on with them as an agency. It's open to anybody whether you're thinking about buying a home today or 6 months from now or 5 years down the road, whether it's a home that you're going to live in or you're looking to buy an investment property, commercial property, whatever it is, it's open. We always felt like William and Zap and the whole team were working with our best interest in mind from the get-go.